What's up everyone? Welcome back to Shoe DIY. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to loosely lace your Nike V5 RNR. So before we start, I've padded out the toe cap with some socks to help broaden out the shoe. I'm also going to pad it out a little bit more with a couple of socks just to help that shoe feel like your foot's inside it while you lace it, and it's going to help us get some broad laces. Now the tongue on these shoes is a little bit narrow, so you don't want to make your laces too loose, otherwise you might find that this tongue starts to pop up on the side a little bit and it's not very comfortable to wear. We can see over here what we're aiming towards, so let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is just push the tongue down a little bit, and that's going to help us get that lace into that first hole on the outside of the shoe. So just push it down out the way a little bit and bring your lace just a little way into the shoe. And I do recommend that as you take your lace across the front, you pull on the laces to flatten it out as much as possible. Then bring the end of the lace down through the opposite first hole on the inside of the shoe. And then again, just draw it up a little way. And then to make sure that our laces are the same length on both sides, put your ends together and pull up. Like that. Now if you do find that your laces have twisted, and these laces do tend to twist quite a bit when you're lacing up your shoe, if you just pull it out on the one side and back in down on that side, it won't affect the length of the laces that you've just got. So just leave that fairly loose on the front, just like this one over here. Just going to pull it in a little bit. And then we're going to start with that outside lace, bring it across to that second hole on the inside, and even as I'm bringing them across, I'm making sure that the laces are nice and flat. If you catch it on your finger as well, it just helps you to flatten out that lace in case you get any twists. Now I've got to this stage, I'm going to pad out my shoe, so I'm just going to push that sock down like that. It's just going to help me to get that extra bulk so I can get those nice wide laces. Then we're going to take that inside lace, just flatten it out, bring it over to the outside second hole. Again, catching it on your finger, look, helps you to turn over the lace and get it down into the hole nice and flat. Then keep that lace in your hand, bring it across, and we're going to bring it up through that hoop on the inside of the shoe. If it gets twisted, just pull it out and pull it back in again. Then take the inside lace, bring it across, bring it up through that hoop on the outside of the shoe. Again, just making sure that it comes in nice and flat so you get that great look. And if you feel that your laces, you want to make them a little bit looser, just pull your shoe out and it'll stretch them out. Then take that outside lace, we're going to go through the hoop on the tongue, keep the tongue in place. And then we're going to bring it down through the next hole on the inside. Then take the inside lace, bring it through the hoop on the tongue, making sure it sits on top of the lace that's already in there. And then bring it down the next hole on the outside. Just pull it in a little bit. So you've still got it nice and loose, nice and relaxed. And then we're going to take the outside lace and we're going to come across and down through that top hole on the inside of the shoe. So draw it down into the hole, then take that inside lace, bring it across and down through that outside hole on the outside of the shoe. And then what we're going to do is to really secure the laces, we're going to take this lace and we're going to take it out through the hole again. So you're going to get two pieces of lace out through this top hole. So you're going to pull on the lace that's already in there, and as you pull it over, it's going to help to get your lace coming out on the bottom of that hole. So making sure it's nice and flat, just push it through the bottom of the hole like that, should be quite easy, and just bring it out as much as you need to match the other lace, which will give you a little loop. Then take the inside lace, we're going to bring it across, I'm going to do the same, we're going to bring the laces sitting on this last outside hole, bring them up out the way, thread the lace out through that bottom of the hole, like that. Just make sure that they both match, and then it gives you two loops that's going to go underneath the tongue. Now you'll wear those under the tongue and on top of your foot, which should be quite comfortable because they're only soft laces, And it does give you some adjustment with this, that if you feel that it's still a little bit loose and you can see the sides of the tongue, you can always pull your laces in just a little bit more. So I'm just going to bring these in to give it a better look. Pushing those loops behind the tongue. So there you've got your loosely laced Nike V5 RNR. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, and for future videos, subscribe. Until the next time, thanks for watching.